Today in writing, we are going to see how a first grader named Deval planned his story. To do that, turn to page 158 and 159 in your student book. When you plan a story, think of your characters. How do they look? What do they like? What problem do they have? Deval drew pictures of his characters, and then he wrote clear details about them, just like us. So he explored a topic. All right, so we have two bees. They like apples. They're friends, and they fly fast. Okay, so these are the details about their character, his character. Okay, and then he used those details about his characters on his story map that you see on page 159. Let's look at Deval's story map for a problem that his characters will solve. And then you're going to make a story map of your own story using the checklist on the bottom of page 158. His characters are two bees named Bert and Ale. The setting is a beehive. In the beginning, the bees are best friends. They fly fast and they like apples. In the middle, here's your problem. Ale moves. Bees talk on the phone. And the ending is that Bert brings apples to Ale. So let's look. What are some details about your characters? And what problem do they solve in your story? You're going to use your graphic organizers that you filled out on video 2, and you're going to also use this pre-writing checklist on the bottom of page 158. Did you write details to describe your characters? Did you plan a problem that your characters are going to solve? And does your story have a beginning, a middle, and an ending? Remember to include details that help readers picture your characters and make sure that your story events happen in order. And use those words, first, next, last, or finally, that signal event order. Alright? Once you have finished your writing and revising and evaluating your chart, make sure that you read it to your learning adult at home.